Welcome to the demo from Canaries Automation. In this video, we would like to walk you through the demo for SAP Intelligent RPA 2.0 bot. Hello everyone. The title of the today's bot is Supplier Invoice Status Checks. So the bot is mainly used for automating reply to standard requests by providing the answer for one or many invoices in a user configurable spreadsheet template. So as a result, you are reducing the labor required to reply to all suppliers. So let us see how this can be done through the demo. So this is the home page of the SAP S/4HANA system. So when I run the bot, it will search for this supplier in invoice processing tab. So in this page, it will come to this supplier invoice list. So here I have 12 invoices list. So based on the criteria mentioned in the template spreadsheet, so it will extract the respective rows from this system, and those rows are dumped into the Excel spreadsheet which is sent through an email. So I have deployed the package and added a trigger in an attended mode. So that's why I'm able to see this project in this history. So I'll start this bot. So now I'll start this scenario. So it will initialize the bot. So the extraction of data can be done in two ways, either by email attachments or by local or a shared folder. So I'll do it through the email attachment first. So here you have to mention where the email attachment is present. So in order to execute this bot through the email attachment, you should have an email in your Outlook account in the inbox folder, and that email should consist of a spreadsheet attachment, and that should be an unread email. So you can mention either the inbox subfolder or the search item like a subject or a body or a from date, sender, etc. So and also you have to mention the start date and the end date where so when the email has been came. So this is the system URL of the SAP S4 HANA system, and you can browse the folder where you want to save that one invoice report, and you can also mention the email ID. So I'll run. So from the template, it took the company code as RIL and the invoice date. So out of 12, I have two invoices. So these data gets dumped into the Excel spreadsheet, and it displays the detailed information of the each supplier invoice, and the process flow is also displayed. So the bot completed successfully. Upon the successful completion, we'll get a mail saying that, so firstly, this is the template I chosen for email attachment. Here I have mentioned the company code and invoiced from date and to date. Here I have no data. So in the mail, if I open this one, so that the two rows, respective rows are being fetched, which are of RIL, company code, and invoice date 5/12/2020. So I'll show it through the local folder. So now I need to select this checkbox, and where I have this email filter template spreadsheet, and this is the URL of the S4 HANA system where you want to save, and also email ID. So it goes to the supplier invoice list. I have given the status and invoice date as the criteria. The information and the process flow is displayed for each of the invoices. The bot completed successfully, and also upon the successful completion, I'll receive a mail. So this is the two rows which are being fetched. The status is posted and the invoice date is 26/11/2020. And if I open this one, it will show you all the details and the file which is being uploaded and the result as success. So the file which I chosen was this one, filters. Here I have given this one as criteria and there is no data. So that's it for the demo. Thank you guys. For more informative videos, do subscribe to our Canaries YouTube channel and visit SAP Intelligent RPA section on our website.